Hello, this is Mrs. Luhtala from the new Canaan High School library, and I was just working in Global NewsBank, and I told some kids working on an America at War project that they should use Global NewsBank, and it occurred to me how absolutely un-user-friendly it is. So I thought I'd make a quick tutorial to show you how to get there and what to do once you're there and how to craft your search. So let's take a peek. NCHSLMC.org. We'll go to Finding Stuff. We'll choose Database as the alphabetical list. You'll be prompted for a username and password. You should know what that is. We click on the scroll button and tap that to open it in a new tab if you have a mouse. We're going to scroll down to Global NewsBank, not Global Issues in Context, but Global NewsBank. Again, we're going to tap the scroll button to open that in a new tab. Here it is over here. We're going to be prompted at this point for a username or an ID number, and that is the long number in the key on the database page. It starts with a 2 and it ends with a 0. It's a 14-digit number. Once you've entered that, it's going to bring you to the basic search. We want the more search options, which is basically, in weird language, advanced search. So here we are. Click on that, and you'll notice that we have a line here where it says in source. That means we're going to choose what title of the publication we want to look in. So for example, if we wanted to look in New York Times, we would do that. But since this is Global NewsBank, the whole purpose of using this database is to get alternative perspectives other than the U.S. perspective on a given topic. The reason I'm actually encouraging kids to use this is to go to Al-Jazeera and look at their transcripts, because for students studying the war in Iraq, the war in Afghanistan, and even Operation Desert Storm, they might want to look at an alternative perspective and see what people are saying about our involvement in that conflict. So we're going to go to Browse right next to where it says In Source, and that will bring you a little window. And the resource I want you guys to look at is Al Jazeera, and you can click on Find. And we're going to choose Al-Jazeera TV. You'll notice that there's a whole bunch of Al Jazeeras, but most of those are just different spellings. So we're going to go with the first one, and that's just fine. We add the term to search, and we click OK, and then we close that window, and now it says Al-Jazeera TV in our search field. Now we can choose some other things. So let's choose from the list of topics, international relations right there. And we are going to look for the search term United States. And we're going to look for that in the first paragraph or the lead of the article. And then we can look for the search term war. And we're going to look for that in the whole text. Somewhere in the body of the article is the word war. And we can leave it at that for now. This is a fairly rudimentary search. It's probably going to generate more results than what you want, but it's a good start. Let's see what they have for us. And they have 43 results, and this is basically going to give you the transcript of what occurred in that television program. So that's how you're going to access transcripts from television broadcasts on Al Jazeera. And I hope that helps you look for alternative perspectives on issues in the war in Iraq in Global NewsBank. Good luck and have fun.